And today I'm going to be showing you how to make macaroni and cheese. Today I've been already boiling the water. What I did is I put some salt in there to give it a nice kick. And then I stirred it all up. And then it made bubbles. And then I put the mixture in. After you take the cheese packet out, you have your noodles. And you put it in the bowl. Done. You put it in there for about 7 minutes and 30 seconds. You're gonna be straining the noodles in this weird thingy thing. It's sneaky snack in the sneaky compartment. And you strain it. Let's go back to the sneaky snack. Oh my god. Sneaky snack. There's a sneaky chunk. Snitchy. Sneaky snack. It's just stirring. And I burnt my finger. And they're fighting while he's eating. Snatch. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Stirring. He's trying to remake my kangaroo kick. Go again. We have to go like this. No, I gotta go like. What? Oh, I should this. 2 minutes left. These noodles have gotten a little bit bigger.
Are you hot? I'm Iron Man.
Gotta stir it a little bit more so it doesn't clump up. That's the only problem with mac and cheese, because if you just let it sit and scoop some will clump up together. It'd be harder for you to strain it. So I just stir it a little bit. Jab my fork. Ah, that was very hot! Sorry for that technical difficulty. I burned the crap out of my leg. But yeah, I just stir it a little bit. 1 more minute. 1 more minute. 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Set you up right there. But be back. Oh, turn this off. Hot. We got. Woo! Oh. Explosion. Oh man, it's a lot of smoke. That was a lot of smoke. Okay, then you gotta do this. Gotta turn it, knead it. What to do? Oh my goodness, I need to stop it. Okay, this is the second time. Nope, not second time. Okay. I gotta set this up. I don't know how. Okay, I'm just gonna set you up right here. That's good? You can see me still? Okay, good. Next, what you're gonna do is I have this thing right here. You probably can't really see. I don't know where else to put it though. So.
Layla, open my cup.
Hold on. Put it. That's perfect. That's better. You can see it. Okay.
Open my cup.
And after macaroni and cheese, baby, it's almost done. Next, you have your thing, and you gotta put the stuff back in. That's really kind of dangerous because it burns. It's really hot. And sometimes you have some leftover stuff in it. Burns. We don't care about the Fiji water. Next, you need 4 teaspoons of butter. Perfect. 4 teaspoons of butter. Then you need your milk. Still good. Good. 2%. Even better. Then you got your cheese sauce. Cheesy. Like a pepperoni pizza. And your measuring cup to put the milk in. Good. My chef skills. Okay. I need some 1/4 milk. Chef skills. Chef skills. Perfect. 1/4. Good. Put your oven on low heat. Low. 2, 3. Good. Then you get your butter. Buttery. Then you got your milk. Creamy. Next, you put your cheesy sauce. Goodness. Okay. Perfect setup. Right there. Put your cheese sauce. Put this sucker in there. Oh, don't do that. Might taste good, but it smells horrible. John! Extra milk. Better. I did that professionally. Okay then. You take your spoon and you mix it up. Gotta make sure the butter's all nice and melted. Yes, Ben? I know about the spaghetti sauce in the wall, okay? I'll clean it up later. So neat. Can you see me? I think you can. You better. Okay. Gotta look at this caramelization process. You want to look at it? Here you go. It's the caramelization process. It's so good. Still got some milk in there that needs to be mixed it up. And then you got some cheese, little powder stickies that needs to be mixed it up. There you go. And I know what you're thinking, Lively, your accent changes like a million times in this video. I get it. You guys are haters. I don't blame you. Okay. Goodness gracious, you're making a mess, child. Good. Okay, there you go. Are you friends? Hello, Joseph. Oh my God! Please stop it. Get off the counter. Don't you dare. I'm taking out the trash. Handled. Okay. I told you. I'll be right back. Hey ya! I swear to God. Go this way. Then once that's done, I am going to smack you with the spoon. Get out of my kitchen! You better get out of my kitchen right now, little boy, or else I will kick your butt with this one. Get out! Get out! I kicked him out to the curb. Alright, well. That's how you make some macaroni and cheese. It's all done. Nice and caramelized. Smells good. Smell it. Smells really good. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't seen my other Cooking with Layla video. This is going to be like a cute little segment. It's on my channel. It's called Cooking with Layla. And yeah, so like, subscribe, comment. Comment what should I cook next. Thanks guys for watching. Bye!